Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a page to reading list in Chrome app on iPhone. So open the Chrome app and open any web page, say suppose this page, and I want to add this page to reading list. What I can do is I can tap on this share icon in the address bar, and within the share icon panel you would be able to see this option, the third option, which says add to reading list. Just select that option and you would be able to see that the page has been added. Now in order to access this page, what you can do is you can tap on this three dot options, and within the three dot options within this carousel you will be able to see this reading list option. Just select that and it will open the reading list of all the pages that you added to reading list. So simply tap on the website or the web page that you want to open, and that will be opened in the reading list. Now if you want to delete the page from the reading list, you can just go back to the reading list, tap and hold that page, and from here you can choose delete, and which will remove the page from the reading list. So in this way you can add the page to reading list in Chrome app. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.